everyone, here is my Hmong item of the day. It is a Hmong Thai shirt for a woman. I bought it overseas from Thailand. But yep, here it is. It has that zigzag up there. And everything is handmade. I think it was sewn together with a machine. But all of this pattern, all these patterns here are handmade. I'll zoom in here so you can take a better look. There you go. But yeah, super pretty. If I can go closer. There. Really pretty. I forgot what it's called. I think it's like single stitch something. But it's nice because they go through and just prism with mojang, and then they can create really pretty designs. And these even are hand stitched. But yeah, there and there, and I think that's, I'm pretty sure it's just machine. Although it is kind of weird. But yeah. Oh. And here's the inside for you. All those little like lines are from these things that they stitched. Isn't that crazy? That's amazing. Oh, and this is how they do that. You can see it better. So it's not, it looks pretty. It's not messy in the back. And they're, I think most of them, their backs look like this instead of ours. The regular, this is Hmong Thai version of their backs, which is really pretty too. There, all handmade. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. My Hmong Thai woman's jacket. It's pretty cute if you try to make it. Here's how it looks like. Thanks for watching.